This video is brought to you in partnership with Markel Direct Trades Insurance.
For public liability insurance for your trades business and more, check out markeluk.com/board builders.
So in today's episode, you will find out why Big Brad can't walk anymore.
You're actually using that?
Yeah, bruv, I can't walk.
Basically, Brad's boring. He's doing a boring job today, so I've had to come in here and cause a bit of drama and be like, oh, will they do it? How are they going to do it? Oh, no. Why does he look like he's just been washed up?
You alright, mate? Is it raining?
Like you've had a massive ordeal getting in this morning.
That was a big huff.
Was it?
He was like, you alright, son? Are we gonna have 1 week where you don't have an ordeal?
It looks like you've been through
Because you've been with us. How long has he been with us for now?
4
Not
weeks.
under an ordeal.
And every week you've come with an ordeal. What's up, mate? You alright?
The way he walked in the door then was just like...
What is it, the motor? Not the motor. The motor's not playing up.
Fine. No.
It's got to be the missus again, isn't it?
No, she's alright.
No, she's alright. So what's the ordeal then, son?
It's a technical issue.
Oh my God. Hello, ladies. I'm great with a drone and a camera, but a laptop, don't ask me. Right, come on then. Good morning, what's happening? Just about to hit 8 o'clock, and if I was a chicken, I'd have laid an egg by now, Sam, you know that?
Yeah.
That's a true fact, my friend. They lay eggs before 8 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, I thought you meant because you're sitting down.
Well,
Because you got bad foot.
Bants, level 100 for you today.
Call me the Bantosaurus.
Right, in a bit we're chatting about a fella who really does take his job a little bit too serious. And no, we're not talking about producer Jack, although he does.
He wanted a Pepsi when he went back. When you go and see him, ask him. He took a photo of the front to prove to you that he's been up at 3:30.
To me?
Yeah.
That's my dog, that's my walking stick. That's Jimmy.
Oh, that is, yeah.
That's Jimmy.
He's got a walking
It's nice that.
You're
actually using that?
Yeah. Bruv, I can't walk.
It ain't for show, is it?
I'm not even joking. My foot's swollen at the bottom.
Go on, give us a...
I can't walk. You'll see me later. I'll walk on site.
Yeah.
I'll walk on site.
With your cane.
With me cane.
And your bulldog.
Start ordering stuff about.
Right, I'll see you in...
See you later, Ben. See you in a bit,
about
mate.
an hour.
See you later,
See you later, bro.
See you in a bit.
See you in about an hour, mate.
Mate, but say,
Hello, good morning.
Right.
You alright?
Yeah, good.
Good.
Just getting it all ready.
Lovely. Just taking that rubber off.
Slight problem on this side.
What's that?
We screwed this black sheet. Obviously, this one was built, wasn't it, before this
Yeah.
was built? So obviously, when we sheeted up the shed roof, the pattern was in the middle
Yeah.
and screwed. So obviously, then you weren't getting the screws out because then this was built.
Oh dear.
So I've just had to work my way along, cutting the batten out so that we can open it back up.
How did you cut it out?
I've just been cutting sections out with the saw, like that.
Alright.
Obviously,
Oh.
trying to like fight, all screwed.
Yeah.
Obviously, whereas I just cut sections out, but.
Yeah.
Yes. Fun and games.
Fun and games. No Ted this morning.
Where is he?
He had to take Brad to work
Oh, really?
at 3:30 because Brad's foot has swollen up low.
Oh, God.
So
Not good.
Ted was up at 3:30 this morning.
Oh, no. So if he does come out, I've been up since 3.
Yeah.
He'll be doing the same thing as Brad and Sam.
He
wouldn't
did. Apparently he took a picture of his Pepsi to get the timestamp of
Yeah. What
to
time
prove that
up?
he was up. Yeah.
Alright, mate. What time did you get up this morning?
Dad.
3:30. Are you going to do all day? I've been up since 3, mate.
I have been, mate. When you get up at 3:30, mate, you gotta let people know, you know what I mean?
I hear you have a picture to prove it.
I do have it. It's really good.
There's me,
More your end. It's actually your end.
and then there's Sam. That's just taken at
That's a good photo, mate.
4 in the morning.
wow.
But because it's so dark out there, because I go by 3:30, that's why it's so dark.
Oh yeah, because the sun's not up yet.
Yeah, and then I went and got Pepsi Max on my home.
Nice. Why did you want a Pepsi Max?
I don't know.
3 in the morning.
Impressed though, Ted. Because Ben literally 2 seconds ago went no Ted today.
You said you were going to grow a rat tail.
Nah, not for you.
Not for me.
Huh?
Would you do it for your dad?
Nah.
No?
I'd do it for £500 though.
£500 you'll grow a rat tail. We could probably make that happen,
Yeah,
Ted.
no, but I don't want it.
You got nervous then, didn't you? Because you're thinking, well, that's probably a bit low.
Probably about $3 I'd do.
$3 okay, that's better.
It's rewind time.
What you up to, Brad?
So just putting a bit of two-part filler in the joints. Just prepping it for when they're painted.
Do you want to come see my patient?
We need to go and see the patient. See what he's doing.
Bad, bruv. So I've got my knife, scrape it every 10 minutes,
Yeah.
and then go back to it every 10 minutes.
Yeah.
That's me for a day, mate. So busy, I've got so much to do. So instead of being out there on the tools and sending emails.
Just going to do the fascia. Soffit now. Every time you come to me, I always say the opposite one, don't I? When I was doing the fascia, I'll say I'm doing the soffit.
Just compose yourself.
That's it. So we are just fitting the soffit. There you go. Got it in one. So as you come to this corner, you can imagine obviously I can't just have a straight edge like that, because obviously it'll be going like that.
Yeah.
So you've just got to modify it. So I usually just hold it up like that, line that up with the point of the corner, and then just draw my two lines, and then that gives us that shape, so it sits nicely into that corner like that.
And what do you cut it with?
I just use the plastic saw, and then you can do it with the multi-tool as well if you're careful.
Yeah.
But obviously you don't want the multi-tool to jump and obviously scratch the front, because that is your finish. So now like that. Yeah, just trying to lever this in. Obviously usually you'd be putting soffits on first, so you could usually just slide that in, because we've got the timber fascias. You have to do it the other way. I'm just levering that open a little bit. Push it to me a little bit if you can.
So we got.
Oh,
Oh.
milk. Oh, I love a milker. Milker, yeah.
Do you want the milker? There you go, mate. We've got Harry Bows. Don't know about all this. Don't know what any of that is. Some Skittles. Some Gold Bears. 1 pack for me, 1 pack for Dad. 3 packs for the kids. Actually, should we give Ben that camera? Should we give him one? Do you like Skittles,
I
Ben?
think we should give it
I like gold bears.
I can't give you them, sorry.
No, they're not for
But I can offer you the Skittles.
I'll
But
take
you're
what,
the cameraman.
I'll take what I can.
If
Thank
you wasn't Edda, you could have the gold bears.
Yeah, if you're an Edda, if you're Kieran, you could have all the Gold Bears you wanted.
I don't know how to put this, but I'm kind of a big deal.
I don't know what this is. Oh, it's base.
So is this the actual lighting?
Yeah. And when you said about using a drywall screw, that head's going to be massive in there.
Yeah.
For a drywall screw.
What about?
What's in those little tiny, like little head screws? That's basically what it was.
What are we trying to figure out, Sam?
Basically, mate. So that's the lid. So that's the cover.
Diffuser.
What we've got to do is mount this up there. Imagine that bit is here. We've still got to put a light in here, LED light strip. And if we've got a screw in there, it's not going to work.
So you've got the strip and then you've got the diffuser on top of that.
Yeah, it sits in there.
Yeah.
But it's not deep enough to take a screw and the LED light in. What about if we glue an activator with it, Brad?
This was sounds this is just one of that. No problems, just solutions, mate. That you can screw them in and countersink the screws, or use that trusty CT Wonder. And now that he's on the job, I'm not sure if all that description he just said is as simple as that text message this morning.
Listen, Ben, it's simple, right? He's just talking the job up.
Good,
And
I'll come
me-
in 10 minutes and you'll be all done then, yeah?
100%. Me on camera, I've just had to make it seem like there's a big drama
Right.
because of the vlog.
I never think you're going to do it.
Yeah, exactly. We've
I
got to
don't
make
think
the vlog more intense.
Do you think he can do it, Brad?
2 hours later. We might need a 3 weeks later for Sam on this one.
Basically, Brad's boring. He's doing a boring job today, so I've had to come in here and cause a bit of drama and be like, "Oh, will they do it? How are they going to do it? Oh no, I know how to do it, bruv.
Like what you've done, isn't it?
Been an electrician for 10 years, mate."
What are you smiling at?
It's all the drama, Mick. I just love it.
What have you done, Sam? What was the last thing Brad said?
Don't do the window.
Don't.
Oh no!
You're a twat. You're the only one that's going to get cold.
Oh no, mate! This is so annoying. Every time I get in his van, why? When you go up, it goes down.
You silly boy, Samuel.
No. I need to pick up some mounting brackets for the LED lighting strip.
Right.
Just make our life easier, and we just screw the mounting strips all the way across.
Yeah.
And then just clip the, you know, the metal track.
Yeah, yeah.
We'll just clip that straight into the mounting bracket, put the LED strip in, and then put the case over the top. So much easier.
Cleaner.
It'll look cleaner, yeah. She did say that she'd send me some of the brackets, but
Right.
they're just not going to arrive in time.
Yeah. What?
You
that
missed it.
What happened, Sam?
I've done the window.
Hey!
Get up. Brad will never know now. Yes.
Until he watches it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We were going to lie to him and say that I'd done it by accident.
We've got to drill the corners out so that we can go right round in an L shape. So obviously imagine that strip can't go like tight round in a 90. So that's what you have to do on those corners when you're doing it continuous round to the ceiling. So I was angling the top in, so that the bottom then just knocks in with a hammer.
You chat more rubbish than anyone I've ever.
You was only having this conversation with me the other day, weren't you?
Yeah.
About you chatting.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Activate.
Are you in there, yeah?
No, only on this one. Having a nightmare.
So these are our soffit nails. You see where we got the coving going on? We can do a hidden fixing there. So obviously if I had that head on there, when I went to put the coving up, the coving would obviously want to sit on that nail. So when you want to take these heads off just to do a little hidden fix, just get it in the claw bit of your hammer there. Just put it on. And you're back to a normal nail. Same on that, so it's like that. Put the head on there. You see that?
Yeah.
In line. That's what you'd have sticking out on that one compared to that one. So then obviously I just want to create a few and just snap the head off. Little tip for you.
I cut it short on purpose. Exactly. It's always an estimate then. Us builders, always estimating. Yeah. My template.
It's a template, not a carnival short.
This is a 10mm short cutout. No, that's 720, I think. For that. Oh, mate.
What's that focusing?
Have a day off. See that, Benny boy?
Yeah, well done, Sam.
Amazing what happens when you use a tape measure, isn't it? No, that one's 725.
Oh.
That's 650, I think. 650, 650. 650, bro. 650. Last one to cut, Benji.
Lovely.
Yeah, last one to cut, mate. And then we can get the lights in tomorrow. And then all Brad's got to do is clip the lid on. But that's going to get boarded to about there. So you won't even see it.
Yeah.
And then the light will beam over there. So you'll probably be like that. You know what I mean, bruv? You'll be like that.
Nice.
No, you won't. You'll be like that. So you can get your fingers behind it to get it.
I know it's Wednesday,
Yeah.
but we forgot to do something yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah, Ted's Tuesday treats.
Welcome to...
Ted's Tuesday treats.
Yay! What have you got for us this week?
Right, so I got something healthy today.
Healthy.
Thought I'd switch up because the times before we had massive cookies and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So instead, I got a smaller pack of cookies. It's a bit healthier. It's not just milk chocolate. It's milk chocolate with caramel, so it's a bit healthier.
Mm.
Yeah. So I'm gonna sit down with my mate Sam.
Yeah.
See if he likes them.
Okay. Do you not need to do your review first?
No, I'll do it with Sam.
We're going to do it with them?
Yeah, sit next to him, mate.
Okay.
Honest with you.
Alright, we'll do that now.
Yeah. Right, so I got young Samuel here. I'm gonna show him my healthy cheek. Ready?
I thought you went healthy, bro.
Healthy.
Oh, do you know
Because
what?
we usually get big biscuits, so I went for small biscuits.
Do you
So
know
it's
what?
healthier.
They are banging.
Have you had them?
They're bang bang, bro.
I've never had
They're
them.
elite, mate. You've never had them?
No.
That is the elite biscuit. You can't beat that biscuit.
A very good biscuit.
It's
They
really
are
good.
unreal.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, you want to try one, Steve? First bite.
Oh. They're a solid 8. Is it not you, bit of you, Brad?
Well, they're pretty good.
It's too much flavour for Brad, I think.
That's pretty good.
Mate, they're unreal.
That's a solid 8 out of 10.
You can both go an 8 out of 10.
I'm saying 9.
I just don't know.
9 out of 10.
Mm.
When they're a
You
bit
wanna try one?
colder as well.
No, I'm good.
I like this.
Well, guys, thank you for tuning in to Ted's Tuesday Treats on a Wednesday this time.
Don't forget.
Don't forget, if you want to see more of these videos, please go to my GoFundMe page so I can fund these videos. Thank you.
It's not really what I was after.
No.
Don't forget.
To like and
Oh, to
subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Do it with Brad.
Yeah, better do it.
Oh, here we go.
What they got to do, Brad?
Like and subscribe.
Where's the point?
Well, I can't really point that far.
We're tired, Benny boy.
Been on since last 3, mate.
He has actually been up since 3:30 as well. He's done a stint. Did you go back to bed late?
I didn't. I was on my laptop actually.
Got time for that, mate. Same again tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah, you're right.
No, you got it. That's got bad foot. Okay. Brad obviously haven't been in on site today because he's got bad foot. But we are done for another day. Fascias and soffits are nearly complete. Brad's going to do the cement board tomorrow around the bottom. And he's going to put the LED actual lights in and just put the track on. The case, sorry. All the tracks in though, got that done. Yeah, we've had quite a busy, weird day today.
Yeah, quite a strange day.
But anyway, until tomorrow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because 76% of you are watching but you're not subscribing.
Got eyes on you, mate.
What is that all about? Subscribe now or go home.
So that's it for today's video, and remember to check out our partner Markel Direct Trades Insurance for a no-nonsense business insurance quote.
And you can get your trades business protected in minutes at the Markel Direct website, markeluk.com/ball builders.